I don't always get the recipes right the first time that I make them. I'm cooking a meal from every country in the world, and I am definitely not an expert on every cuisine on the planet. And sometimes when I make things, it turns out great, and sometimes it doesn't. This one was an almost winner. This is Khachapuri from Georgia. It's like a bread boat that's filled with cheese and then topped with an egg. It was delicious, I have to say that. But I made a few mistakes, including overcooking my egg. I used a bad source that told me to put herbs in the cheese. That's a no-go. So while this one is gorge, it's back to the drawing board. It's the name of the game.